Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got this custom Redding GP35 Kato. It was a Kato original run. I custom numbered it. The original numbers were the wrong font, so I renumbered it, added all the lettering to the number board, front and rear plows, MU hoses, the rain gutters, roof eye bolts, MV lenses for the marker lights, both front and rear, and now it looks pretty much like a real Redding GP35. So take a look at the lighting here. And the handrails were destroyed because the guy had them glued on, so I put brand new brass ones on. Not the front and the rear ones, but on the sides. Are all brass, bent brass, and brass stanchions from CalScale. And they look much better than the Kato ones, which were too big, thickness-wise. You can see the font's correct now. Alright, and I'm just going to stop it right there. Let's get a close-up. And if you look at the prototype photo, this one had a rear plow. You can see the lettering, all the door latches highlighted, etc. And it's got the 567 turbo in it. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and this is for a client in Australia, so he'll be getting this sent soon. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.